How to make Snapchat account private. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile on top left corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on settings on top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down. Scroll down till you find privacy control. Then click on contact me. Make sure it's only friends. After that, in view my story, make sure it's only friends only. Also, see me in find friends option. Make sure there's no tick mark on it. After that, you're good to go. This is how to make Snapchat account private. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.